Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by testing your internet speed and latency with a reliable speed test app. Aim for at least 10 Mbps download and latency under 40 ms. If you see higher latency, reboot your router and modem to refresh the connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection to reduce packet loss and wireless interference when possible. If Ethernet is unavailable, move your device within 3 feet of the router and remove obstacles. Close background apps and any downloads on your console or streaming device before launching Fortnite. Open the Xbox Cloud Gaming or browser client and choose the nearest server region available. Selecting a closer region reduces round-trip time and stabilizes gameplay. Lower the streaming resolution to 720p or choose a medium quality preset to reduce bandwidth needs. This helps maintain frame pacing during traffic spikes. Enable any low latency or real-time streaming option in the client to prioritize responsiveness. Finally, sign out other users on your network to avoid shared bandwidth spikes while you play Fortnite. Update your router firmware to ensure optimal performance and security for cloud gaming. Enable quality of service labeled Co-S and prioritize traffic to your Xbox or streaming device. Disable mobile hotspot, VPN, or proxy services that route traffic inefficiently and increase latency. If possible, move to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or consider a Wi-Fi 6 router to reduce congestion and improve throughput. As a last step, contact your ISP if latency remains high and request line diagnostics or higher tier.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.